What's up, guys? Matt Shiflett with AmericanMadeExotics. We got another clutch pippin today. It's 24bpC32, which was a female pied, bred to two different clown, hurricane, pastel, het pied males. I see a couple of them pippin. One of them's all the way out at least. So this is one that had an egg laid 1 day early, 2 days early. 4, 5, 6, 7. And that one went bad. They usually get bad within the first couple of days when we see that happen. Or that one might have went bad by the time we pulled it. I don't even remember. So here's a pied. And I really struggle to see hurricane in the pied. So I'm not even going to try to ID that right now. We'll let these come out, shed and stuff. It definitely makes them a little bit busy, but I don't want to have wishful thinking here. Looks like everyone's pipping on their end already. So that's probably hurricane, het clown pied. Double head. So we got another pied. Pastel pied, het clown. Not gonna guess on the hurricane right yet. There's another pied, het clown. And here's another pied, het clown. So some of these should be hurricanes. There's a pastel hurricane, het clown pied. So it looks like 4 visuals and 3 double heads. So can't really complain there. This one's pretty busy pattern too. That's a pretty cool looking animal. So we'll let them all come out and kind of compare them and stuff and see which one's a hurricane. So that's pretty cool there. To do the odds, we'll let them come out and wash them off. We'll take a closer look at what we got. So appreciate y'all watching. We'll be back soon with an update. All right, this is 24bpC32, which is a pied female bred to 2 different clown, pastel, hurricane, het pied males. Got lucky on the pieds here, a handful of them, lots of them with busy patterns. I'm not even going to try to guess the hurricane on them yet. But that tends to be what the hurricane does, is make the pattern a little bit busier in the pied. That's a boy. And these pieds are all 100% het clown. And the double heads are all 100% double head clown pied. Another pied. This one's got pastel in it. That's a boy as well. Another pied with pastel. That one's a male as well. And another pied. That one's a boy as well. We have a pastel, hurricane, double het clown pied. That one's a female. And we have a hurricane, double het clown pied. That one is a female. And then we have a regular pastel, double het clown pied. That one is a female too. So even split, just unfortunately it wasn't split up amongst the visuals. But I'll take it. Everything looks healthy and good. And we'll set them up and then we'll try to look out and see which one's a hurricane. Appreciate y'all watching. Until the next one.